Hey everybody, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a minute. My kids have been driving me crazy. And I'm trying to get ready that I'm gonna have a party this Saturday and I'll have to show you guys all the decor and food. I'm so excited. But anyways, today we're gonna be showing you how to do a hanging witch. These hats are from the dollar store. I got 3 different kinds and I'm gonna hang them for the party, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. And then we're gonna make little ghosts out of water bottles, styrofoam heads, and little mesh. So let's get to it. So these are the other 2 hats I got. And then you need some fishing string and some scissors. So what we're gonna do, because I tried to mess with the needle and it was just too tiny, I'm just gonna slip a little hole on the side, on that side, on the opposite side. And then you're going to take your fishing string and make it a little long because you're going to hang it. You can always cut off the excess. You just want to make sure it's long enough to cut. Okay, so I'm just going to push that through and then I'm going to tie the knot. Wire through, and then you want to tie a knot to secure it. I'm just a little slow because I burned my finger yesterday. Got blue one. Really hurts that. So once I get that tight with the string, I'm going to hang it up here. Take your tape, secure it, and then I'm just going to grab the scissors. Stick your hand in there and pop it up a little bit. And I'm gonna hang it up on for the party. So it looks like it's floating. Pretty cute. Spooky. Look at our cool hat, Enzo. Come here. No. Spooky hats. Say hats. So we're gonna make this little mummy and this little ghost, little creatures, really inexpensive. I got stuff at the dollar store. You can use the water bottle. I filled them with water so they're a little heavy so that they don't tip over. You can get these styrofoam balls. They come for $1 at the dollar store. And this kind of mesh material, this was $1. And then just get a roll of toilet paper and our eyeballs again. And some glow sticks. So this mesh, I'm gonna do the little mummy first. So I'm just gonna spread it out. And you're just gonna cut some fabric. Alexis, did you want to get me out 2 big googly eyes, please? Yeah. Thank you. Right here. Googly eyes. of our Halloween party. I'm so excited. I just want to show you. Everybody's here already, but I'm going to go through and show you my decor, my food. Half of it's already eaten, but let's get to it. Here's our nice little fireplace with our Halloween decor. My favorite is the little hearse with the light up tree. And we're going to go show you some of the food.